Hey guys, welcome back to Who's Got the Tea, where we explore all things tea. My name is Shayna Hu. I am a tea enthusiast exploring teas and taking you with me. Today we'll be talking about the East Asian household staple, barley tea. We'll be discussing its origins, how it's made, how it tastes, as well as health benefits and health warnings, because not everyone should be drinking barley tea. In Korean, barley tea is known as bori cha. So cha in Chinese means tea, and so I associate cha with tea. And so that beginning prefix of bori must be barley. So bori cha, barley tea. Also, in Japanese, barley tea is known as mugi cha. So same thing. Cha, Chinese for tea, mugi must be barley. So barley tea, mugi cha. Barley tea is a drink that is enjoyed both in the summer and the winter because you can drink it hot, cold, it comes pre-packaged in bottles at the store, and you can have it in tea bags. So really, any way you want barley tea, you can have barley tea. Barley tea is made from roasting the seeds of the barley plant. So you can roast it by sauteing it on a pan until they get that golden crispy color, or you can actually put it in a baking sheet, stick it in the oven, and wait for the same thing, that golden crispy color. You may be familiar with barley grain as one of the ingredients that is fermented and used to create none other than beer. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you how I purchased the barley tea. It came in this bag. It is a 2-pound bag. And you can see the barley tea right there. It was about $5 to $6 at my local Asian market. As you can see the nutritional facts there, they really don't have much to say. It's 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 0 sodium, 0 fiber. They do have the brewing instructions, but it says use 2 tablespoons of the barley tea for 2 liters of water and boil for 5 minutes. That is a lot of liquid. So we're just gonna do 1 liter to 1 tablespoon and try it out from there. Here's our closer look at the barley tea. As you can see, the seeds have been roasted. They have a brown, crispy, crunchy color to them. Actually, some of these seeds are open. They've popped open from the pressure. All right, guys, so let's get brewing. Alright guys, so while we make this tea, let's talk about health benefits. There are many health benefits related to barley tea. It has a lot of fiber, so that can help with people who have constipation. It's also a whole grain, so just like Honey Nut Cheerios helps decrease cholesterol levels, or can help decrease cholesterol levels, so can barley tea. It has a natural antacid, so that can help with an upset stomach. And there's also antioxidants in it, so everyone knows antioxidants are great, anti-aging, to fight free radicals. There's also vitamin C in barley, and vitamin C can help you fight off infection and improve your immune system. But people who should avoid barley tea include people with gluten sensitivity, celiac disease, or anyone that's just allergic to grains. This would be no bueno. For those unfamiliar with barley tea, you may not know that barley tea is actually a tisane, not a tea. Tisanes are caffeine-free herbal teas. Instead of brewing things such as tea leaves, which contain caffeine, tisanes brew alternative ingredients such as flowers, roots, fruits, and yes, even barley seeds. For more information on tisanes, check out my other video where I compare loose leaf teas and tisanes. Alright guys, we have our barley tea. I actually filled it up a lot, so I'm kind of scared to hold it up. But it's so pale, it's not even really like a honey yellow like the corn tea was. I don't know if maybe I need to add more barley tea to the water ratio, but I followed the instructions. So let's see what it tastes like. Based on smell, it just smells like grain water, which is to be expected, I think. So right now I'm cold, so a nice warm drink is very soothing to me. But apart from that, it has a subtle nutty flavor to it. It just kind of tastes like a hint of grain, just as if you were to drink LaCroix that has essence of strawberry or watermelon. It's kind of like hot water with essence of barley. And there is some nutrients to it because you have boiled the barley into the hot water. So you do get a little bit of nutrients in there too, so probably one up on LaCroix. Another little fun fact about barley tea, it is suspected that Isabelle from Animal Crossing is drinking barley tea. So if you're a fan of Animal Crossing, drink what Isabelle drinks. All right guys, that's about it. Short, sweet, and to the point. If you guys have tried barley tea or drink barley tea on the regular, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for joining me. Apart from that, see you soon.